So you guys have found a product that works for your store. You validated it and you're making consistent sales with it every single day. Well, what do you do to go ahead and take this product to the next level? Well, the first thing you should focus on is private labeling your product and getting your logo on it. Private labeling is essential to building a brand in 2021, and it's how you stand out from your competition. So what's up guys, my name's Alex, and in this video we're gonna dive into my laptop really quickly and talk about private labeling your products and getting your logo on them. Let's jump into that right now. Okay, so like I said, I want to keep this video short and simple. So I just went and pulled up the AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and we're gonna pick one of these random products on here. So I already went through and did this all for you guys to keep it short and simple, but we'll go ahead and choose this laser hair removal tool. So I've been seeing this all over. I've been seeing a ton of brands take advantage of this product and private label it themselves, and it's just performing well overall. So I went ahead and opened up that listing over here, and that's what you see. So you're sourcing it for around $31 with free shipping for each order. And I also went on and add spy tool, drop a spy, and found this product actually private labeled to a brand. So this is Kenzie, and they went ahead and got their logo stamped on there, and I went ahead and checked out their product page as well. So if you go on here, I don't know how much they're getting this product for because they've actually private labeled it, so it's probably a significant discount compared to the AliExpress cost. But even for a $31 price point, these margins are crazy. So they're selling it for $230 when the average product cost was around $30, so that would be a $200 markup. And I don't know if they're just advertising and marketing it very well, or if they're offering discounts in the process or what, but I really like the way this is set up. So as you can see right here, you got this product, you got your logo on it, and I'm not going to pay attention to fine detail for this for the purpose of this video, because if you can see right here, this product's slightly different from this one, but the same overall idea and the same concept is you just want to get your logo on your product. I don't care what you're selling. When you validate it and you're ready to move on, you need to private label it, you need to get your logo on it, and you need to secure your logistics for your store. So I like what they have going. They have their private labeled product, their logo on it and everything. They're doing a great job branding it, as you can see right here. It looks like they got an influencer to review this product and they're using it on their homepage. That is awesome. Keep going, they got all the reviews. So this is put together very well. This is a very nice brand. So let's go ahead and move over to Alibaba. This is where we're going to source this product for the purpose of this video. We're going to move away from AliExpress because, let's be real, in 2021 you can't deal with those long shipping times, especially if you're private labeling your product. It's just going to give you a bad name overall. So Alibaba is just like AliExpress, but it's for more buying in bulk and customizing your products and really working with these suppliers on a more one-to-one basis. So I went ahead and typed in laser hair removal tool on Alibaba, and we're gonna go ahead and find this product and stamp our logo on it. You'll just wanna go ahead and scroll through until you find a few of those exact listings that match, and open up a few tabs. You'll wanna compare, a bunch of different listings, some suppliers, and just look at the fine details and everything. You wanna find the best deal possible. Okay, so I found this listing, and this is the listing we're going to use for the purpose of this video. But like I said, you want to compare, you want to find the best price, the best shipping times, the best suppliers, and everything to do with that. So if you look right here, the original price point on AliExpress was about $31. Well, if you look over here, the minimum order is 2, so that's actually pretty low. A lot of suppliers have minimum order quantities of like 100 or 1,000, and a lot of times people just can't afford to buy that much inventory up front. So if you look right here, the minimum order is 2, so anywhere between 2 and 9 orders, you're getting it for $26.90 a piece. Anywhere from 10 to about 100 orders, you're getting it for $24.90, and then 100 and up, $22, and about 50,000 pieces, you are paying $9.90 for each one of these. So there's a few aspects that you want to look at on these suppliers to determine if they're legit. And one of the first things you want to look at is Alibaba Trade Assurance. So that just protects you, make sure you're not getting scammed. You can get a refund if your order doesn't arrive, or if it arrives and the products are terrible. So this just really protects you overall. You want to look at a few other things like some of the actual reviews on the product, if there is any. So this supplier right here, They've been in business for 2 years, their ratings are pretty good, and yeah, so you just want to look at their overall stats. I'll go into more depth and show you what you actually need to be looking for in another video when I talk about sourcing and building long-term relationships with these suppliers. But you just want to look at some of the basic factors, what other people are saying about them, and make sure you're protected as well by making sure these people are legit. So looking down at customization, you want to look at the minimum order quantity for getting your logo on this product. And there's also customized packaging, and some suppliers might offer, additional features and benefits, stuff like that. Some might not even offer it at all. But basically you have to buy 100 of these to get your logo on it. So if you guys can afford that, I'm gonna show you how to go about sourcing this product and getting your logo on it. If you guys can't, then find another supplier that has a logo for a smaller quantity, or look at sourcing another product. But let's move forward with this one. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click Contact Supplier. So you can go ahead and fill in some of the other additional stuff, but the main message you want to say is you want to be professional, polite, and get your message across. So you can say something along the lines of, hi, I'm Alex, I'm the purchasing manager for whatever your store is. I'm looking to place an order for however many of this product, and I would like to get my logo on it. Can we talk about pricing? And you guys can negotiate with these buyers on the actual product pricing and the shipping costs and everything to do with that. But the main point is you want to get it across to them that you need your logo on this product, and you can send it over to them and just discuss, the timing, shipping, the cost, everything to do with that. It's all in the negotiations by messaging the supplier. So this should be pretty straightforward. You just want to negotiate with them. You tell them what you want, what you need, and then you guys can talk about the shipping times, the shipping method, the actual cost, and go ahead and message around a few suppliers, kind of get this going and see where you're gonna find the best deal. And I know a lot of people up front will place sample orders so they can, ensure that the quality is there, but a lot of people don't have time to go through this process because shipping times are still crazy and everything like that. So me personally, if I don't have time to place a sample order, I'll go ahead and make sure everything is insured. I'll make sure the reviews are good and other people have great things to say about the supplier. And I also want to make sure they've been in business for quite some time. Now with Alibaba, you have two options here. You can either private label your products and ship them out yourself. So to do this, you'll go ahead and you'll order the products to your home. You'll make sure you have the proper packaging. You'll make sure you have like a label printer and everything you need if you're getting, a high volume of orders. Or you can actually use some logistics services and go ahead and send your products to someone else's warehouse, and they'll deal with all the packaging and shipping and everything else for you. So those are two really good options. I've personally used both in the past, and I actually have a bulk order right now coming to my house that I just got private labeled. Anyways, that's the basics with private labeling. You just want to find the product, source it on Alibaba, and talk to a few suppliers and just kind of negotiate and tell them what you need out of it and what you want on the product. And there should be no problem getting this set up. I didn't go into too much depth on this video because I wanted to keep it short and simple for demonstration purposes, but I hope I covered everything that you guys need to know. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and DM me or leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. So by now, you guys should know every part of what it takes to get your logo on your products and really start developing your brand. If you guys got anything out of this video, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.